Welcome back, traders. Before we jump in, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever seen a chart that looks calm on the surface but is secretly preparing for a major decision point? Well, that's exactly what Melania Coin is doing right now, and today we're going to decode the psychology behind those movements. It has been a while since we last analyzed Melania Coin, and a lot has changed on the chart, so let's break it down and see what do we have on the ground. When you look closely, the overall market structure is clearly in a downtrend. Price has been printing a clean sequence of lower highs and lower lows, showing that sellers have been in control for a while. This is classic market psychology. After a strong impulsive move, traders who bought late get trapped, smart money starts unloading positions, and the market shifts into a controlled decline. But here's where things get very interesting. Around the level of 0.138, we have a major resistance zone that has been respected multiple times. Every time price taps this level, it gets pushed back down with force. This tells us that big players are defending this zone and using it as a liquidation trap to fill sell orders. That is why this level is extremely important. It's not just a line on your chart, it's the battlefield where buyers and sellers have repeatedly fought. So what do we watch for next? If price makes its way back into the resistance area around 0.138 and shows a strong bearish candlestick, that is a psychological confirmation that sellers still own that territory. In that case, we can consider selling from that zone because the market is telling us that buyers are still too weak to break through. However, if the resistance fails and price breaks above it with strength, that is a completely different story. That means buyers are stepping in with confidence and the psychology shifts, but we don't rush into the breakout. Smart traders wait for the details, the retest of the same broken level. If price pulls back, respects that area, and holds it as support, that becomes our confirmation to look for buys to the upside. So to wrap it all up, Melania Coin is currently in a downtrend with a clear structure of lower highs and lower lows. The key level we are watching is the resistance around 0.138. If the market respects it again, we look for sells. If it breaks it with strength, we wait for the details and prepare for a potential buy setup. All right, traders, now I want to hear from you. At that key level, who do you think will win this battle? Buyers or sellers? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until then, trade safe, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video.